I have been urged to say the following. If you happen to like the excerpts you've seen so far, please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities. I'm going to try and convince you that if the components of a ratio are multiplied or divided by the same number, that the ratio does not change. For example, let's take a few ratios here. I'm going to write down to claim all these ratios are equal. Okay, and you can keep going on like that, on and on and on to the very last syllable of recorded time. So you need convincing of this. So let's take an example. A piece of string let's say 105 centimeters long. And let's say I'm going to divide it in this ratio here. So I'm going to snip it. So the two new lengths are in the ratio 3:4. We want to find out how long each new piece will be after I do that. So the standard method is to proceed like this. 3 plus 4, okay, equals 7 parts, and that is 105 centimeters. So 1 part will equal 105 divided by 7 equals 15 centimeters, and that means 3 parts equals 15 times 3, which is 45 centimeters, and 4 parts equals 15 times 4, which is 60 centimeters. I hope you can see that both these two lengths add up to your original length of 105 centimeters. Now I'll take another one of those. There. Let's say I take that one, 9 to 12. And proceed in the same way. Okay, so 9 plus 12 is 21 parts, which again has to equal your original length of 105 centimeters. So that means 1 part equals 105 divided by 21, which equals 5 centimeters, which means now that 9 parts is 9 times 5 equals 45 centimeters, and finally 12 parts equals 12 times 5 equals 60 centimeters, which I hope you can see if you compare that with that you get exactly the same result. So we have to conclude, we have no other choice to say that 3 upon 4, 3 to 4 is 9 to 12, or any one of those. Well, the same applies if the ratio is in 3 parts. You can work through it in exactly the same way. Please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities.